Okay, so black and white, black and white. Same for this. This is okay, but I just do not feel very, very comfortable. Maybe I'm too old. I do not feel comfortable wear short skirt, short dress. And I have these very comfortable pants. See if I wear these. It makes me much more comfortable. I can I can be silly. Shall I make it into a style dress with pants? This makes me so much more comfortable and myself. And this pants a little bit short, just perfect. It does not have to be too long. I feel this is good.